What's up, pretty gang? Today I'm going on a solo date and I'm going to give you guys some tips and tricks to help you out. I know there are a lot of people who are actually really scared to be out by themselves in public, especially when eating. I went to a restaurant called Zocalo's before work for lunch. You guys, I actually like this restaurant and I was here the other day. Y'all, I'm here for that taco salad, okay? So as you guys can see, the scenery is really nice. It's not busy, which is a key factor for those of you who are nervous to dine out by yourself. You're going to want to choose a time of day and a place that doesn't get too busy and a menu that's easy to understand. Just watch how I interact. Hi, good, how are you?
Good, thank you. Got some chips, bean dip, and salsa for you here. And I guess you're loaded by shortly, okay?
Thank you. Yep. So if you're in your head about thinking that people are looking at you or worried about you while you're out and about, y'all just take a look at this place. You can see, although I'm recording, ain't nobody worried about me. And if you are nervous or do get stressed, the main thing that might help you out is to go ahead and listen to either some music or a video or something that can put you at ease. Honestly, this part is a little bit fake because baby, it's not hooked up to nothing. That iPhone don't got no service to nobody, but I'm just showing you an example of busying yourself can actually take off some of the pressure. And again, nobody in the background is worried about me, and because it's not too busy, I don't have to worry about any interference with any of my content creating, and I can honestly just sit back, relax, and do what I want to do, which is really to go ahead and eat. So I'm gonna go ahead and dig into this chips and salsa, you guys, and you guys can go ahead and take a look at my next interaction, which will be ordering food. Like I told y'all, I already know what I'm here for. I'm just waiting around for the waiter to come and help me. But you guys will see how I handle things, and I'll also give you guys some tips and tricks to handle stuff for yourself.
Have any questions?
No, I think I'm ready.
Right, okay.
I'm gonna do the tostada salad, and can I do with shrimp instead of ground beef?
Yes.
And then can I just have an extra side of vinaigrette?
Is that deal? Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
So again, choosing a menu that's easy to understand and going during a unbusy time of day is going to allow you to thoroughly reflect your thoughts and speak clearly. If you're not a person that is able to make a lot of eye contact, or if that makes you nervous, you guys can see I've literally just read off the menu. Now at the end I did make eye contact because for me personally that doesn't bother me at all, but I just wanted to show you guys, for those who are actually really nervous, no one cares if you don't make eye contact. No one cares if you read straight off of the menu. And if that's what helps you make yourself comfortable, then go ahead and do so. Now, I know y'all heard them people talking in the background. That is where we're going to get into the benefits of going on solo dates, eating out by yourself. You guys, the amount of interactions that I actually witnessed while minding my whole ass business is wild. Pulling into the parking lot, I seen this homeless man with both of his booty cheeks out. From the front, he looks normal as hell, okay? But from the back, the way his pants was sagging down, booty cheeks just exposed underneath that shirt, okay? So that was already number one. Then, number two, listening to these guys in the background talk about how so-and-so's son is spoiled and he gets to go to this school and how he has an allowance and how they hope he can keep a job. And then the two gentlemen started talking about, give me a call when you're ready to do X, Y, and Z with Jennifer's company. Like, you'd be honestly surprised when you sit still the things that you hear and see. So now that my food is here, we are going to focus on what actually makes people very nervous in public, which is eating in public. So like I already said, y'all know what I'm here for. Taco salad, add shrimp, no ground beef. But I personally don't have anxiety around eating in public, but a lot of people have told me that the anxiety around eating in public stems from a particular situation that has happened that pretty much terrified them or scarred them. These things can include, like, if you were eating in public and you got food all over your face and nobody told you, and you got really embarrassed when you found out that you've been walking around with food on your face all day. Or if you were eating something and somebody pretty much dissed what you was eating, and then now you were embarrassed about that, so you just chose to only eat in private so that way you would not be embarrassed about the foods that you like. Or maybe somebody has a whole eating disorder, you know what I'm saying? So it's typically things like that that cause people to stop wanting to eat in public, or maybe they only eat with other people. Now y'all can see this food is bussin' for sure. Y'all can already see it on my face. Like, it's good. It's real good. So let me give you some tips to help you if you are a nervous eater in public. Okay. So first thing is first, concentrate on other things around you. As you can see, I'm pretty focused on my food at the moment, but you will see me looking around. I'm kind of taking in the scenery. I actually got seated next to a window, so I just kind of watch people, you know, walk on by. There's a TV up there that I look at every so often, and I just kind of take in the actual environment. If you are extremely nervous that people are watching you, as you can see in the background, these people is not worried about me. I look a mess. I do not look but halfway presentable, and still nobody is glancing my way. Okay. Now, if you're a person that's nervous to eat alone in public, like you have no problems eating in public, but you just don't like being by yourself, this would also be another good opportunity to pop in your headphones, put on a show or a YouTube video, or listen to some music to distract you. Because I also understand that there are some people that have no problems about eating in front of others, but maybe they are just the type of person that just gets nervous to be by themselves. Either way, as you guys can see here, I'm worried about myself and a little bit worried about, you know, the surroundings around me. But at the end of the day, I'm not going to stop that from intaking my meal, you know. Now, I do want to talk to you guys really quickly about some of the benefits about going out by yourself. So for one, it helps you become more aware of your surroundings. When you're by yourself, you cannot depend on anybody else to keep you safe, and honestly, it will show you exactly what's going on around you. So it helps you be diligent, and it just, okay, see, yeah, I knew I had a burnt piece in there. It helps you to stay diligent and just pretty much learn how to watch your own back if you're normally a person that is dependent on the people around you. Another great benefit is it allows you to learn to speak up. Now, this whole time, right, I was eating this salad without no extra vinaigrette, and I am a more so outspoken person. I was thinking to myself, when he come around, I'm going to ask him for that vinaigrette. But what ended up happening is he ended up bringing it anyways. But because I'm by myself, I don't have anyone else to help me ask for any of the stuff that I want. Okay. I know sometimes when people are in a group, someone else might speak up on behalf of the group. I personally am that way because I like things to be right and tight. You know what I'm saying? But when you are by yourself, you have to learn to speak up. So this gives me plenty of time to think about exactly, okay, what do I want to say and how do I want to say it, so that by the time the person gets to me, I will know how to deal with that situation. Okay. The next thing that is a pro for being out alone is you get some time to center yourself. You get to think about, what did you have to do later? Did you accomplish the things you're supposed to do today? You can have time to meditate or pray. You can have time to really just go down your checklist and think about, okay, what happened? Did I get things done? Or you can have time to decompress after work. I'm going into work, so this gives me time to kind of think about, okay, what's on my plate today? What is my schedule looking like? Am I getting everything done? You know what I'm saying? And then I can pretty much proceed with my day. It's a great way to learn how to relax by yourself. Okay. And of course, the final pro is that you get to witness and see a lot of things that is like you literally just had to be there for. You learn how to entertain yourself without any devices or any people. Honestly, I was minding my business, and then it just was somebody's whole ass birthday. So I'm hoping this video helped you guys in some sort of sense, whether you really just like watching people eat food or really if you needed these tips. I came here, I ate my food, I sat by myself, I got some peace and quiet, and now I'm done. I'm going to stack my plates up, and the last interaction you guys are going to see me do is interact with the server so that I can go ahead and pay. And for those of you that are even nervous for asking people for the check, hopefully this is an interaction that can even help you with that. I personally just like to ask them before I'm done. That way I don't have to wait too long. But here's the next clip so you guys can pretty much see how I handled that.
May I pay this figure?
Yeah, can I have
Yes.
the check?
Yes.
Oh, yeah, thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome.
So as you guys saw, when I'm by myself, I really like to keep it short and sweet and to the point. When I'm out and about by myself, although I am doing something that's seeming to be relaxing, I usually have other things to do right after, or honestly even right before. I really just wanted to show all of this just to show you guys that you can have an enjoyable time in your own company, and you don't need other people or other things to distract yourself from how you're feeling. Sometimes the best way to do things is to just give it a try. If you're uncomfortable, then leave early or order something smaller. But at the end of the day, you will make it. Whatever the issue is, you can make it, and you can make it by yourself.
Let me get change for you, okay?
Thank you.
You change, right?
Oh, no, you're good.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, of course. Alright y'all, it's come to the end of the video. I finished my food. I gotta bounce up out of here and get to work. I'm so glad I brought y'all with me on a solo date. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notifications so you don't miss the next video.